Imagine two people investing the exact same amount of money, same monthly investment, same return, same retirement age, but one of them ends up with almost $200,000 more. The only difference? They started 10 years earlier. And this is the biggest money mistake people make in their 20s. Most people believe their 20s are too early to worry about investing. They think, I'll start when I earn more money. But delaying your investments can quietly cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let me show you why. Let's compare two investors. Both invest $300 per month. Both earn an average 8% annual return. Investor A starts at 25 years old. Investor B starts at 35 years old. Now look at what happens by age 65. The early investor ends up with around $600,000. The late investor ends up with around $400,000. That's nearly a $200,000 difference. And remember, they invested the same monthly amount. The difference is not income. The difference is time. Because when you start investing early, something powerful begins to happen. Your money starts making money, and then those returns start generating their own returns. This is called compound interest. Look at this curve. At the beginning, growth looks slow, almost boring, but over time, the curve starts bending upward, and after a few decades, growth becomes exponential. This is why legendary investors always say, time in the market beats timing the market. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. That's why long-term investing works. So, why do people delay investing? There are three common reasons. First, they believe they need a lot of money to start. Second, they think investing is too complicated. Third, they underestimate the power of time. But the truth is, starting early matters more than investing huge amounts. In fact, surveys show that only about 37% of people under 35 invest in the stock market, which means the majority of young adults are missing the most powerful investing years. This is why so many people struggle to build wealth later in life. And here's something interesting. You don't even need large amounts of money. Consistency matters much more than size. Look at this example. If you invest just $5 per day, that's roughly the price of a coffee, and you invest it consistently for 40 years. With an average 8% return, you could end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars. Small habits compound into big results. So, if you're in your 20s, here's the simple strategy. Start investing as early as possible. Invest consistently every month. Focus on long-term assets like ETFs or index funds. And most importantly, give your investments time to grow, because time is the most powerful advantage you have. The biggest mistake people make in their 20s is not starting. You don't need to be rich, you just need to begin, because the earlier you start, the easier wealth becomes. If you want to learn more about investing and wealth building, subscribe to Value vs. Capital. And remember, the best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is today.